For almost 500 years, the masses have been thoroughly deceived by a cosmic fairy tale of astronomical proportions. We have been taught a falsehood so gigantic and diabolical that it has blinded us from our own experience and common sense, from seeing the world and the universe as they truly are. Through pseudoscience books and programs, mass media and public education, universities and government propaganda, the world has been systematically brainwashed, slowly indoctrinated over centuries into the unquestioning belief of the greatest lie of all time. It is obvious that the earth is flat, yet they say it is curved. It is obvious that the world is motionless, yet they say that it moves. It is obvious that the heavens revolve around us, yet they say it is us that revolves. Just as it appears, the sun, moon, and stars, fixed and wandering, all revolve around the flat earth, which is the stationary, immovable center of the universe. The magnetic North Pole is the center of the Earth and the universe. Polaris, the North Pole star, remains always significantly situated atop the dome of the heavens, while the sun, moon, and stars revolve in circular cycles around us.
Conspiracy.
The moon and Mars landings were and are all hoaxes staged and filmed by Freemasons on Earth. Orbiting satellites and space stations do not exist. All video and photographs you have ever seen from NASA, Hubble, and other official sources are all CGI, computer-generated images. The truth is that Antarctica is a giant ice wall holding in the oceans, and the South Pole does not exist. Various anomalies and differences between the Arctic and Antarctic prove the Earth is not a ball. The Arctic midnight sun proves the universe is geocentric. The truth is, the sun and moon are equal divine balanced opposites made for signs and seasons to light the earth and divide day from night. The moon is not merely a reflector of the sun's light, but emanates a demonstrably unique light of its own. It is completely self-luminescent. We have been taught, contrary to all common sense and experience, that the seemingly motionless, flat earth beneath our feet is actually a massive, moving ball spinning through space at over 1,000 miles per hour, wobbling and tilted 23.5 degrees on its vertical axis, while orbiting the sun at a blinding 67,000 miles per hour, in concert with the entire solar system, spiraling 500,000 miles per hour around the Milky Way and careening across the expanding universe away from the Big Bang at an incredible 670 million miles per hour, but that you can feel and experience none of it. We have been taught that a mysterious force called gravity, a magical magnetism responsible for keeping everything from falling or flying off the spinning ball Earth, is just strong enough to hold people, oceans, and the atmosphere tightly to the surface, but just weak enough to allow bugs, birds, and planes to take off. truth is, the universe was intelligently designed by an intelligent designer, purposefully created by a purposeful creator, not the haphazard result of some inexplicable cosmic accident. The truth is that life, consciousness, the incredible, beautiful diversity and complexity of nature is divinely created. The philosophy which would speak of a round and revolving world is a false philosophy.